What's up everyone, I'm Sierra and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a sped up clean with me. We're going to be doing a 10 minute, you heard that correctly, speed clean. So sometimes, and not all the time, but you get a nice little phone call from someone and they're like, hey, I'm in your area, can I stop by? And of course we have an open door policy at our house. I absolutely love when people give me a 10-minute heads up so I can just like drop whatever I'm doing and clean my house. I'm going to take you through that entire routine. My husband says I'm a little crazy. Like when someone comes over, it could be literally anyone, my mom, his parents, and they're like, hey, we're going to stop by. And I just like freak out. I have a mini panic attack. Like I'm excited to see them, but I'm like, oh my God, my house is a freaking mess. They're gonna think we live like slums. So I freak out. So I'm just gonna show you my entire fast routine and what I get done in those 10 minutes. That is imperative to have a clean house. My husband's gonna be following me around. Usually he helps me with this during the 10 minutes, but he's gonna be following me around with the camera. You're just gonna see me go wild in this house. You might also see my daughter running around the house. Right there, hi! And I'll probably just like put on a movie for her. So we're gonna pretend that someone's on our way to our house and we're gonna clean it right now. All right, let's go ahead and get on to it.
God, please help me through this video.
All right, so the first thing I like to do is light candles. I truly feel like I spend most of my day in the kitchen, whether it's cooking breakfast, then cleaning, then getting a snack, then lunch. You get the drill. I'm sure you feel the same way as well. So I just feel like my kitchen can never just stay clean. I'm going to touch it up right now just because we just had lunch and I just have a few things to put away as far as dishes and then take out the trash. There's really no method to my madness as far as like how I start to clean. When I see stuff, I just kind of like pick it up, but I always start off with my kitchen. So this will eventually lead me into my dining room and you'll see me start to like do different areas as we go forward. Few things. So I just want to let you know this clean with me is 10 minutes. I did speed it up ×2 just because I like watching them sped up. I don't know if you like to watch clean with me the same way. So it's still 10 minutes, but like I said, it's sped up and I'm laughing right now. You can see my lips moving really fast because I'm actually telling my husband, I don't understand why you clean the countertops, but you never clean the backsplash. It's not that hard. And then I clean my refrigerator and my dishwasher and I'm just like laughing because as I'm cleaning, of course, Capri wants to put her fingerprints all over it, but that's what really makes a house a home. Home sweet home.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep
Let me tell you a funny story. So every time I take a shower, I always take off my bra and hang it on the doorknob behind the door. So Capri will then take my bra and she'll throw it around the house in different places. So this time she ended up hanging it on the laundry room door and I was dying because I didn't even really recognize it because it's so normal for us. And when I closed the door, Brent's like, I think you should probably move your bra. And I was like, oh yeah, that's probably a good idea. Now I'm on to vacuuming and cleaning the spare bathroom. We don't usually use this bathroom. Brent and I have our own bathroom in our bedroom. So typically the only time we use this restroom is like if we're going to wash our hands after changing Capri's diaper. So I'm just going to take a quick Clorox wipe and, well, I said that funny. I'm going to take a quick Clorox wipe and I'm just going to like kind of clean it up a little bit, make sure that there's no dust. And I'm really sad because this is my last container of Clorox wipes. I don't even know what to do anymore. I am so sad about my Clorox wipes. I love this stuff. And you'll see that I don't have a bath towel. Every time I have a new guest come over, I always put a fresh towel out, especially with COVID. I don't want any type of germs being mixed. And I also do prefer to have like the little bathroom napkins. Those work really well, but Target was out the last time I checked, so I don't have any, so I'll probably just put a fresh new towel.
We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds.
What are you doing in there? Come on, let's go help mommy.
Onto the living room. Oh my gosh, look at that amount of toys this girl has. So I'm sitting here looking at all the toys thinking like, what should I do with them? I constantly filter out toys. I give away toys. I put some in buckets. So when we have baby number 2, and I feel like she plays with all of these toys. So here I am complaining about her toys, as I just bought her a matching Dyson. She loves my vacuum, so I decided to buy her a vacuum. I wish it actually picked up like dirt and lint, because how amazing would that be? I would like totally, oh, here's a raisin that she dropped earlier. I'll give her that. How cool would that be if her Dyson actually worked? That would be heavenly. And what's funny is that I was totally the mom or the pregnant lady who said, I am not going to have all these toys in my living room. Look at that big pink tent in my living room. Everywhere you turn in my house, there's huge toys. I don't know what to do. I need suggestions. Can you guys leave a comment below? I gotta take this. Thank you. My timer ended up going off, and so I did just let it run for a little bit, 10 minutes and 46 seconds to be exact. So I ended up vacuuming this room. I did vacuum the table. Some people freak out when I vacuum my coffee table. I don't know why, but I'll polish it after. Don't freak out. And yeah, we're done. Got it. That completes my 10 minutes. I'm clearly out of breath. Don't mind my bananas right here. I have to make banana bread. I've been waiting for this to go bad. Okay, so now usually the person would be here right now. I didn't have like enough time to like fully vacuum the entire downstairs, the entire house, but usually Brent is vacuuming for me while I do all of the cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below some of your favorite cleaning products that you like to use just like really quick on like your kitchen surfaces, your dining surfaces, and your bathroom surfaces. I just went through my last bottle of Clorox wipes. I need to learn how to make my own at-home Clorox wipes because I still can't get them in the store. It's very tragic. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.